Hello friends, welcome to my channel and thanks for watching this video. Friends, in this video we are going to discuss about the price trend of Coty Incorporation, and this is the weekly chart of this particular stock. And as you can see, if you start looking with the current price action, the stock is actually holding at or in between these levels. So these are your most important support level, and which will start from $3 and go as low as 2.69. So if the stock falls below 2.69, then obviously one should not carry any positions, and just mind, rather than considering $3, one must consider this as 3.28. So you will have your first support at 3.28 and last support at 2.69. But with the current price movement, if you are looking at the price movement from the lows of probably September 2020, it actually went up by 53%. So if the stock goes up like this, then obviously what we could probably see on the upside are levels which is like this. So firstly, you have your support in between 3.28 and 2.69, and if the stock falls below 2.69, one should not carry any trade further, and one should simply move out from any trade. Okay, on the upside you will have your first target or resistance at 5.97, followed by 6.32. Okay, so these are the two most important support target or resistance level which the stock is currently looking at on the upside. Okay, so this is the first thing we need to understand. And if the stock moves and sustain above 6.5 or 6.3 to 6.5, then you will have your next target at 8.77. okay, now because the stock has been falling from the highs of 2015, as you can see here. Okay, so from the highs of 2015, the stock has indeed falling to as low as $2.63. So this will 8.3 is not only the support level, but it is a resistance at this trend line. Okay, and rather than 8.77, you can call it resistance in between 8.8 and $10, because let me tell you, because this is anyhow, this line is your one of the target or a resistance level. But if the stock is hitting anywhere like this, okay, because we don't know actually the kind of movement we have, and if the stock goes straight like this, then obviously it will expand till in between 8 and $11, because we don't know about the movement, whether it will go like this or this. We are probably considering the range in between this level, and once the stock moves across this chart, makes a breakout above this chart, then only we are going to consider an uptrend further. But for the time being, you have your trend open open in between $4 and probably $11 on the upside. Meanwhile, you will have your resistance level like this, but it is open till $11, and let's take it from there. Okay, on the downside you will have your support levels, and one should be very strict about that. Okay, do not just simply think, okay, what will happen if you don't do. Okay, do not don't do this kind of things, otherwise it will harm you only. So as you can see, this is your support line, this is your resistance line, and the stock is trading in between these things, okay, in these lines. So that's why you'll have a target which will be in between 8.77 and $11.45 on the upside. Meanwhile, you will have all your support levels and resistance level in between these lines. And as I've already told you, if the stock goes below 2.69, one should not carry any positions. Although below 2.69, you will have your next support at 2.19, and after which the stock will probably go for a free fall. So one must be very careful about this thing, and on the upside you will have your resistance and target line like this, and once it clears through or once it's sustained above, let's say 12 or $13, then we will take it forward from there. So this is the end of the video. If you like this content, do share your thoughts in the comment section and subscribe my channel. Lastly, take care of your family and friends.